Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning English USA. I am Jessica, and I am very happy to have you here with me today.
In this lesson, we are going to practice English listening together. This lesson is especially for beginners who want to improve their English slowly and naturally. So, if you are learning English at the A1 or A2 level, this lesson is perfect for you. Today, I will speak slowly and clearly, and I will use simple everyday English. You can listen while you are relaxing, walking, cooking, studying, or getting ready for your day. The most important thing is to listen carefully and enjoy the process. Before we begin, I want you to remember something very important. You do not need to understand every word immediately. Sometimes you may hear a sentence and understand only a few words. That is completely normal. Do not stop listening because you do not understand one word. Keep listening and try to understand the main idea. When you hear English again and again, your brain slowly becomes familiar with the sounds, words, and sentence patterns. This is how your listening skills grow. So, take a deep breath, relax your mind, and get ready. We are going to start with a simple story about a normal day. Imagine that you wake up in the morning. Your alarm rings at 7 o'clock. You open your eyes and look at the clock. You are still a little tired, but you know it is time to get up. You sit on your bed and stretch your arms. Then you stand up and open the curtains. The sunlight comes into your room. You look outside and see a beautiful morning. You walk to the bathroom and wash your face. Then you brush your teeth. After that, you take a shower. The water feels warm and relaxing. When you finish your shower, you dry yourself and put on clean clothes. Now you feel fresh and ready for the day. You look in the mirror and smile. You say to yourself, "Today is going to be a good day." Then you walk into the kitchen. You are hungry, so you prepare breakfast. You make some eggs and toast. You also have a banana and a cup of tea. You sit at the table and eat your breakfast slowly. While you are eating, you think about your plans for the day. You have some work to do, but you also want to spend some time learning English. Now let us practice some sentences from this story. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get out of bed. I open the curtains. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I make breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink tea. I get ready for the day. Now I want you to repeat these sentences after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get out of bed. I open the curtains. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I make breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink tea. I get ready for the day. Very good. Repetition is one of the best ways to improve your English. Do not be shy when you speak. Even if you are alone in your room, speak out loud. Your voice needs practice. Your mouth needs practice. Your ears need practice. The more you practice, the more natural English will feel. Now let us continue with the story. After breakfast, you check the time. It is 8 o'clock. You need to go to work or school. You take your bag and leave your home. You lock the door and walk to the bus stop. There are several people waiting for the bus. Some people are talking. Some people are looking at their phones. Others are standing quietly and waiting. After a few minutes, the bus arrives. You get on the bus and find a seat near the window. You sit down and look outside. You see cars, shops, trees, and many people. The city is becoming busy. People are going to work. Children are going to school. Some shops are opening for the day. You listen to some English on your phone while you are on the bus. You repeat a few simple sentences quietly. You say, I am learning English. I can improve my English. I will practice every day. These simple sentences make you feel more confident. After some time, you arrive at your destination. You get off the bus and walk to work. You say hello to your coworkers. You sit at your desk and start working. You check your emails and read your messages. Then you make a list of things you need to do. Maybe you have a meeting in the morning. You sit with your coworkers and listen carefully. Someone talks about a new project. You do not understand everything, but you understand the main idea. This is similar to learning English. You do not always need to understand every single word. Understanding the main idea is a very important skill. Now let us practice some useful English sentences for work. I am at work. I am checking my email. I have a meeting today. I am working on a project. I need some help. Can you help me, please? Can you explain that again? I understand now. Thank you for your help. Repeat after me. I am at work. I am checking my email. I have a meeting today. I am working on a project. I need some help. Can you help me, please? Can you explain that again? I understand now. Thank you for your help. Excellent. Now let us talk about lunch. Around 1 o'clock, you become hungry. You go to the cafeteria or a nearby restaurant. You sit down and order your lunch. Maybe you order rice, chicken, and vegetables. You drink some water. You talk with a friend while you eat. Your friend asks, "How is your day going?" You answer, "My day is going well. I have been busy this morning, but everything is fine." Your friend asks, "What are you doing this evening?" You say, "I am going home and studying English." This is a simple conversation, but it is useful. You can use these sentences in real life. How is your day going? My day is going well. What are you doing this evening? I am going home. I am studying English. Now let us practice another everyday situation. Imagine that you are at a supermarket after work. You need to buy a few things for dinner. You take a basket and walk through the store. First, you buy some rice. Then you buy vegetables, fruit, milk, bread, and eggs. You cannot find the milk, so you ask an employee for help. You say, "Excuse me, where can I find the milk?" The employee says, "It is in aisle 5. You smile and say, "Thank you." The employee says, "You are welcome." These sentences are very useful. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? It is in aisle 5. Thank you. You are welcome. Simple conversations like this can help you feel more comfortable when you use English in public. After shopping, you go home. You put your shopping bags in the kitchen. You change your clothes and relax for a few minutes. Then you prepare dinner. You wash the vegetables and cut them into small pieces. You cook the food and enjoy the smell of dinner. After dinner, you clean the kitchen. Then you sit on the sofa. You are tired, but you want to spend some time practicing English. You open your phone and listen to a slow English lesson. You listen carefully. Then you repeat the sentences. You say, I am learning English every day. I want to speak English clearly. I want to understand English conversations. I want to improve my listening skills. I will practice every day. I will not give up. These sentences are not difficult, but they are powerful. They remind you that learning English is a journey. You do not need to become fluent in one day. You only need to improve a little every day. Now let us practice some common sentences that you can use every day. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am tired. I am busy. I am free now. I am ready. I am happy. I am a little worried. I feel better now. I need some rest. Listen again and repeat. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am tired. I am busy. I am free now. I am ready. I am happy. I am a little worried. I feel better now. I need some rest. Very good. Now let us do a small listening challenge. I will tell you a short story, and I want you to listen carefully. Do not try to translate every word. Just listen and understand the main idea. My name is Emma. I live in a small apartment with my sister. Every morning, I wake up at 6:30. I usually drink a glass of water after I wake up. Then I brush my teeth and take a shower. I have breakfast at 7. I usually eat bread, eggs, and fruit. At 8 o'clock, I leave home and take the bus to work. My office is about 30 minutes from my home. I usually listen to English lessons on the bus. After work, I sometimes go shopping. Then I go home and cook dinner with my sister. In the evening, we watch television or read books. Before I go to bed, I spend 20 minutes studying English. I usually go to bed at 11. Now think about the story. What time does Emma wake up? She wakes up at 6:30. What does she drink? She drinks a glass of water. What does she eat for breakfast? She eats bread, eggs, and fruit. How does she go to work? She takes the bus. What does she do in the evening? She watches television, reads books, and studies English. What time does she go to bed? She goes to bed at 11. If you understood the story, excellent work. If some parts were difficult, that is okay. Listen to the story again later. Each time you listen, you will probably understand a little more. Now I want to give you a simple English learning routine. Try to listen to English for at least 15 minutes every day. First, listen without reading. Try to understand the main idea. Then listen again and pay attention to individual words. After that, repeat the sentences aloud. Finally, try to speak without listening. You can practice while doing simple activities. You can listen while walking. You can listen while cooking. You can listen while traveling. You can listen before going to sleep. The important thing is to make English a regular part of your life. Remember, you do not need expensive courses or complicated methods to begin. Start with simple English. Listen to simple conversations. Learn common sentences. Repeat them many times. Speak slowly. Make mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. Then continue. Sometimes you may feel that your English is not improving. Do not worry. Learning a language takes time. Your progress may be slow, but that does not mean you are not improving. Every word you learn is progress. Every sentence you understand is progress. Every time you speak English, you are becoming stronger. Let us finish today's lesson with some positive sentences. I can learn English. I can improve my listening. I can speak English. I can understand more every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I practice every day. I learn from my mistakes. I believe in myself. I will keep learning. I will never give up. Now repeat them one more time. I can learn English. I can improve my listening. I can speak English. I can understand more every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I practice every day. I learn from my mistakes. I believe in myself. I will keep learning. I will never give up. Wonderful job today. You listened to a long English lesson, practiced everyday sentences, followed a simple story, and repeated many useful expressions. That is real English practice, and every practice session brings you one step closer to your goal. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I am Jessica, and this is Learning English USA. I hope this slow and easy English lesson helped you improve your listening and speaking skills. Remember to listen every day, repeat what you hear, and speak with confidence. You do not have to be perfect. You just have to keep practicing. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep learning. And most importantly, believe that you can improve. I will see you in the next English lesson. Have a wonderful day, take care, and keep practicing your English.